Welcome to your new mindful experience for drinking coffee or tea. Because these are drinks that are often taken for granted, which makes them ideal subjects for meditation. And the aim here is to consciously pay attention, full attention, to a cup of coffee or tea as you drink it. Now, most people are surprised by the wealth of tastes and smells that normally pass over them completely unnoticed. And meditations such as this are used to reveal just how much of our sensory experience of life is governed by autopilot. And that is to tend to experience what you expect to experience. It is also a good way of clearing and settling the mind before tackling an important project or decision. You repeat this in whatever way you wish, or do it with another type of drink. The same principles of bringing the fresh beginner's mind to a routine activity can be applied to any aspect of daily life. And such a beginner's mind is the one of foundation stones for creativity with this mindful experience. So if you're making the drink yourself, look closely at the coffee grounds or tea leaves. Just really observe them. Spend a few moments letting your eyes soak up every detail. Observe how the light bounces off the grounds or leaves. What can you smell? How does that make you feel? And when you add water, what can you hear? How does the smell change? And if you're out buying your drink, just soak up all the sounds and smells of the cafe. Perhaps you can hear the tinkling of cups, the hiss of water, the chatter of other people. Just try to tune directly into your senses, rather than mentally describing the experience in words. And if you're adding milk or sugar, watch how they dissolve. Watch the beautiful design that you could never recreate as you add these to your drink. And notice, does the smell change? Just focus on the subtle different aromas around you. Then take a sip. Did you know that coffee has over 30 different flavors? And tea has many more. See if you can sense some of them. Are they bitter, or sweet, or sour? Is there a trace of burntness? Notice what you can notice, as everyone's experience is different in life that normally we miss on autopilot. Now resist the temptation to gulp down that sip. Instead, after a few moments, when you feel that your taste buds have become saturated, swallow it. And notice how it feels. And when you can breathe in, how does your mouth and throat feel? Hot, cold, or hot followed by cold, or cold followed by hot? Now repeat the previous steps with another sip or drink, and carry on repeating this for 5 minutes until you've finished your drink. And when you have, notice how you feel. Is it different than normal? Did the drink taste better than it did previously? Just notice what you notice, opening up your awareness to what you weren't normally aware of. And just by the end of the experience, make note of it and then let it go.